Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix Pi network migrate to mainnet problem. So whether it's a stuck migration, KYC verification issues or technical errors, in this guide I will help you fix the problem and successfully move your Pi coins to mainnet. Follow these steps carefully. Step 1 is ensure that you have completed your KYC verification. Open Pi wallet, then navigate to KYC option at the screen, then check if your KYC verification is pending. If so, complete the process by submitting the required documents. If KYC is approved but still migration is stuck, proceed to the next step. Next step is linking your wallet to Mainnet. So, go to your Pi browser, open the Pi wallet, then click on unlock with fingerprint or passphrase, then ensure that your wallet is correctly linked to Pi network app. Now, if not, follow the instructions to link it and confirm the ownership. Step 3 is checking for pending transactions. In the Pi network app, go to Mainnet checklist and look for any incomplete steps preventing migration such as incomplete signature verification or missing wallet connection. Now, step 4 is resubmitting migration request. So if your migration is stuck, go to Mainnet tab, then tap on the retry migration button you will get there, or check for any error messages explaining the issue. If you see an error, note the code and check Pi's network's official support channels for a fix. Step 5 will be updating the Pi network app. Go to your Google Play Store or App Store. After opening your Play Store, search for Pi browser. Then update the app if the app is not updated to the latest version. Now you can restart the app and try the migration process again. Now, if nothing works, contact Pi's network's official support via the app or their social media channels and provide details of your issue, including screenshots and error messages. So by following these steps, you should be able to fix migration problems and successfully transfer your Pi coins to the mainnet. If you're still experiencing issues, wait for official updates from your Pi network as migration bugs are sometimes system related.